What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to use your wireless remote with your battery powered 61 wash light. Now, to make sure that our remote is going to work with our light, we can go to the IR mode here, and to use the remote we're going to make sure that this mode is turned on. So if you're having trouble using a remote with the light, you can go to this mode and make sure that it's set to on instead of off. So let's go through all the different features on the remote. So we have the on and off buttons that we can use to turn the bulbs of the light on or off. But keep in mind, this doesn't turn the light off altogether. You're gonna have to do that with this switch on the back. We also have these up and down buttons here to either adjust the brightness of our light or to adjust the speed of the mode our light is set to. Below we have the base colors that we can set our light to between red, green, blue, white, yellow or amber, and ultraviolet. And then we have these numbered buttons here to set our light to custom colors. Then we have the different modes for the light that we can switch with our remote. So we have the auto mode, the strobe mode, the fade mode, or the sound mode. Like I mentioned, we can use the up and down buttons to adjust the speed of the auto, strobe, and fade mode. And because there are 4 different sound modes we can choose from, we can use these up and down buttons to switch between them. Now, because the light uses IR technology, you're gonna wanna make sure to point your remote directly at the light to change the color or mode. And you'll wanna keep this in mind, especially if you have multiple lights set up. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to use your remote with your battery powered 61 wash lights. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.